The countdown to the Apple iPhone 17 launch keeps getting more exciting as the first hands-on videos with dummy units are now popping up online. If you're an iPhone fan or just keeping tabs on Apple's every move, you'll want to see what's in store for the next generation of Apple's base model. These new videos don't just give a detailed look at the hardware, they're all about color this year. Apple is shaking up the color palette for the iPhone 17 with 4 brand new colors out of a total of 6. Thanks to leaks from Majin official on X, I've now gotten my first true look at 2 of the most talked about shades. A fresh vibrant violet and a smooth eye-catching green. These are non-working dummy units, but all reports say the finish and design are a near-perfect match for the retail models Apple will reveal this fall. The difference from last year's iPhone 16 colors is clear immediately. Apple is going for brighter, warmer, and slightly less saturated hues with the iPhone 17, giving it a lively, youthful edge I haven't seen in a while. The hands-on videos show how violet and green both shift under light, playing between energetic and subtle depending on your angle. On design, Apple once again keeps things consistent and classic for the regular iPhone 17. The frame is flat and sturdy, a hallmark of recent iPhones, and the pill-shaped dual-camera bump remains on the back. But there are some thoughtful tweaks here too. The aluminum frame feels a bit more refined, and you'll notice a dedicated camera shutter button and a user-customizable action button right on the side. 2 features that make daily use both easier and more personal. Apple's strategy is clear. Save the big bold design experiments for the Pro series while keeping the regular iPhone instantly recognizable and reliable. That doesn't mean it's boring though. The new colors make a real impression, and according to all the early videos, the build quality feels excellent. While it might look similar from a distance, the iPhone 17 is set to deliver some much requested upgrades under the hood. If you've been waiting for a smoother experience while scrolling or gaming, this is great news. Apple is finally bringing a 120Hz OLED display to the standard iPhone. I know a lot of fans, myself included, have wanted this pro-level feature without paying a pro-level price, and now it looks like the wait is over. Shutterbugs will also appreciate the camera upgrades. The ultra-wide rear camera will use a brand new 48-megapixel sensor, which should mean more detail, better color, and stronger performance in tricky lighting. If you're like me, and you shoot a lot of landscapes, groups, or creative photos, this is a meaningful jump. And the selfie camera isn't being forgotten either. Apple is reportedly moving to a 24-megapixel front sensor, so FaceTime calls, selfies, and video chats should look sharper than ever. There's also a new processor under the hood, either a next-generation A-series chip or a new, more efficient variant of Apple's latest silicon. No matter what, you'll get the fastest, smoothest iPhone experience yet, whether it's for gaming, video, or everyday multitasking. Just to clarify, the phones you've seen in recent hands-on videos are dummy units, not functional devices. That said, sources suggest they're extremely accurate in terms of color, finish, and physical layout. I always recommend keeping a bit of skepticism with pre-launch leaks, but the track record of recent Apple color leaks is solid. For those wondering whether the regular iPhone 17 will get a big design overhaul, the answer is no. Most of the dramatic changes like the massive new camera modules or radical case designs are being saved for the iPhone 17 Pro and higher. Apple's base models are all about refinement, color, and giving consumers the Super Retina XDR experience without the extra price tag. If you want to see the best look at violet and green for yourself, check out the hands-on videos embedded in Majin official's latest X posts. I'll be tracking all the newest leaks as we inch closer to Apple's official September reveal, including real-world videos as soon as demo units arrive in stores. So which iPhone 17 color are you most excited about? Is it the fun and bright violet, the calming new green, or are you holding out for one of the unrevealed colors? Drop your thoughts in the comments. For more pre-launch Apple news, first looks, and the truth behind the leaks, subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.